Hey guys! Thank you so much for stopping by for today's video. I am so pumped to do this one. So, as you can see by the title, I am going to be doing the makeup bingo challenge thing with the new Emily Edit the Wants palette from Makeup Revolution. Oh my god, you guys, when I saw that Emily had collaborated with someone and she was going to be bringing out some sort of makeup product, I was like, I don't even care what it is. I am supporting it. I am buying it. Like, I cannot think of someone more deserving than Emily Noel here on YouTube. I've watched her for so many years and she's never once compromised the honesty or the integrity of herself or her channel for views, for money, or anything. And I'm just like, I am so happy she finally took the leap and found a company that she could do a palette with or some sort of makeup item with and do it with integrity and staying true to herself. And I just think it's so awesome. So many years ago, I actually thought it was more recently, but when I looked back at the video, it was in 2016 when she posted the makeup bingo challenge, and I had always wanted to do it, but I never had a big palette anymore to do the challenge with. So once she came out with this, I was like, now I could do that video. So I'm really excited. This thing is so pretty. Like, you have so many different colors that you could use in here, and you just you have it all pretty much. You have a big mirror. As you can see, I went ahead and labeled these so that I can pick my colors for the bingo challenge. So for the across rows, I went ahead and numbered them 1 through 6, and I put the options in a hat, and I also I doubled up the numbers. So I did 1 through 6 twice, and then for the bottom 1 through 4, for going down, I did that twice as well, so that I could have more of because bingo only has 5 letters, so I wanted there to be more of an assortment of when I was choosing, so that maybe I could get this row twice or something, like the second row twice or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and pick our colors and then see what we can come up with. Okay, so as you can see, I have not swatched this or anything, but just look how pretty all these colors are. I can't wait to play with this, and I can't wait to see what kind of look I'm gonna come up with after I pick. So I have my across letters here, or numbers, and then down. So we're gonna pick 5. So first, let's try here. I'm just gonna pick whatever. So we have 6. Oh wait, I need it down. So 6, and then wait, that's 2. Or I got 2, but I'm gonna go with the first one. I don't even know what this one is. I don't want to know. So 6 across, 2 down. So that is Pi Phi that we're going to use. Okay, we got a deep one here. Ooh, I like this one. Dues paid. Ooh, yay. Wait. That's gonna be interesting. Okay, so I got some interesting color combinations. I'm really happy I got Dues Paid because I know that'll be a good transition color. Oh Heavens, I was really happy about because it's more of a highlight shade. I can use that for highlighting. And then Pi Phi and Corduroy, I like both of them, but I was like, how am I going to use them together? Actually, when I first saw this palette, I really was so excited about Corduroy because I think it's just such a cool color. And then Dark and Early, it's a good thing I got that one because it'll be easy to incorporate. So I was just trying to figure out how I was going to do Pi-Fi and corduroy together and make the look still look nice and seamless, but I think I got it figured out in my head, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add Dues Paid to my crease because I think that would be a really, really good crease color. That's what I thought of it, like what I wanted to use it for when I first saw it. So I'm gonna take that, and then I added a little bit of eyeshadow primer to just my lid, because I want to get back into using eyeshadow primer. I haven't used it for years, really, and see if it really makes a difference. So I didn't put it in the crease or anything though, because I think that would make it harder to blend out, so I just put it on my lid. Oh, this color is so nice. Okay, so now that we have the base color down for our transition, I'm going to take Pi-Fi and I'm going to put it in my crease and outer corner. I'm going to play it kind of safe because we are dealing with some stronger, more bold colors here. So I'm going to take that in the crease lightly. It's so pretty. And then just kind of build it slowly in my outer corner. It's so pretty. Okay, so now that we have that color down and placed on both eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take Dark and Early and put that on the very outer edge. I'm going to start with a little bit and build up because, as you can see, I always get carried away. But we're going to go ahead and place Dark and Early. Just the tiniest, tiniest dab. And then we'll blend it out from there. Okay, so now that we have that placed, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Oh Heavens. Don't worry, I'll still clean up everything else later, but I kind of just have like my general guideline placed down. And so we're going to go ahead and go in with Oh Heavens and place that all over the inner part of the lid. Right here. Nice. Ooh. Then I'm going to go back in and blend everything together. Taking a little bit more of Pi-Fi and adding it where I think it got a little lost. I love the transition from Dark and Early to Pi-Fi to Dues Paid. It just looks so pretty together. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm also going to go ahead and take Dark and Early and place that on my lash line, just as a liner. Okay, and then I'm going to take Oh Heavens again and just pop that right into, yes, my inner corner for some added brightness. Yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so I like the way this looks a lot, but we do have one last shade to use, so have to use it. And I do really want to use it, but I wanted to use it like in its own video, but we're gonna use it today. So we have Corduroy. Okay, so I'm gonna run Dues Paid on my lower lash line again. Not again, but I'm gonna run it on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the smallest amount of Pi-Fi. Even going to dab a little excess off. Run that as well. And then we're going to go back in with this liner brush and add Corduroy to our lower lash line too. focus it on the outer half of the eye. And then once you have that, go ahead and blend it out into our previously placed colors. It's a tongue twister. And there we go. So since we added that color so subtly, just kind of like a liner, you can't really even tell that it's green, but once it's like packed on fully, it totally shows up true to color. So if you look super close, you can see that it's not black, that it's actually its true self. But I like that, you know, it can look either way. Either from a distance, it could look just like a dark color, dark black, or for up close, you could see that it's actually like a green, I don't even know how green turquoisey color. So it's really cool. So I feel like we successfully used all 5 shades. I'm really happy with how this came out. I love this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add lashes. I'm not gonna do any liners since we did line our eyes with the dark and early color. And then yeah, I'll be back to finish up the look. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I'm super jazzed about how this came out. Like, I think it came out so good, and the colors were so easy to work with. You guys, this palette is only $20, and like the shadow quality is actually really good. Not even just for a $20 palette, but just in general, this is really good. I highly recommend this, and the possibilities with this are just endless. I can't wait to keep playing with it and seeing what else I come up with. Look at all those colors. You have neutrals, you have your black, you have a highlight, shimmer shades, matte shades. Like, you have a really good complete palette with this one, and the mirror is so good. It's really good quality. It's not one of those cheap clown mirrors, and this is gonna be such a great palette for travel because you get that big mirror and then you have so many different options. And oh, to tell you what else I completed with the look, I used Bite Beauty Honeycomb lipstick for my lips, a dash of the Essence Pure Nude highlighter just everywhere on my face. I don't like to pile on the highlighter unless it's like for a cool picture or something. Sometimes I do, but I like more of a subtle glow these days. And then I used Ardell Faux Mink lashes that I'll have listed down below in the bottom bar. But yeah, that is this video, you guys. It was a very successful, I think, makeup bingo or palette bingo, whatever. Yeah, I just want to say congratulations again to Emily. You were so deserving, and I'm so happy that you found a company where you could create something and also still stay so true to yourself, true to your channel, true to your subscribers. And I'm beyond ecstatic for you, and I'm so proud. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll have everything you need to know down in the bottom bar, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave video suggestions down below. Bye.